after that. Good morning, guys. This is Mario's hair designers and one of my favorite buddy right here. Tell me about you, brother, and how far did you come?
Coming from Greenville, South Carolina. I used to be in Atlanta.
But you've been coming here several times already.
I've been coming here more than 12 years now.
No, way more than that.
Way more than, yeah, you're right. Last time we did say that, almost like,
Because remember Sean?
Yeah, Sean.
Here years.
Yeah. Oh my God, I didn't think about that. Yeah, almost 17 years, I think.
Exactly. All right, guys, we're about to take this much off. Right, brother?
Yes.
You ready?
I'm ready.
I'm gonna put on my hair. Actually, I used to have my hair this long for 10 years.
Yeah.
I didn't cut it, but when I was beauty school, Nashville, my life.
Oh, yeah.
Nashville, crazy life. I spent there with country singers and
nice.
working on country music,
Yeah.
country stars and country music stars.
Yeah.
I remember the day Garth Brooks, Joe Diffie, Alan Jackson started.
Wow.
I swear to God.
And you saw them right as they were starting.
Yeah, man.
Oh my God.
I used to work next to Bluebird Cafe, the last hair salon.
Yeah.
And River Phoenix made a movie next door too. It was Patio Coiffure.
Yeah.
Pretty cool. Anyways, so we're working on this handsome brother of mine. Sit back for me. You're a little bit sloped. No, bring your cushion up. Yeah, you put now down a little bit. All right, guys. It's a very, very simple haircut for me because I've been doing this too long. He said something about John Wick, but we'll see what we're gonna do here. So I go in the carve. Remember, the face structure, face framing, always a key in every haircut everyone do. So, very, very, very simple, guys. I go in, slice my scissor, take out all the weight and the length. Speaking of scissors, this is a $950 scissor. The cheapest scissor I use. Believe it or not, I have two of them. The brothers. Made in Japan, handmade. By the master. Actually, I'm going to see him next weekend. He's coming to Orlando Hair Show.
Wow.
Good friend of mine. Been there, worked the hair show in Japan. Pictures to prove it. So I'm taking it close to the neck, okay?
Okay, perfect.
How long did it take you to grow this long length, my man?
This is pandemic special.
Pandemic special, okay. I like that. No more pandemic, it's over.
Exactly.
How's everything? You been doing good?
Doing great, yeah.
You still working with technology?
Yep. Work for the bank.
Which bank?
Big bank.
we need some money, man. Is it PNC?
No.
One of my customers, he works in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, but he comes here because he lives here. Every 3 weeks, standing appointment. Oh yeah, he charges the technology. Georgie, how was it? You like it?
I do. You're going to cut it, right?
Yeah, of course I'm going to look at it. Because how much you want me to cut? We already cut.
Well, I mean, because I want to make sure that, because
What?
you know how you cut it before, you sectioned it off and cut it?
Right, well,
Okay.
don't you worry, my
No,
dear. Because I'm going to charge you triple because your hair is so long. Quadruple maybe.
Oh my God.
Well, I mean, Georgia's hair. This is Georgia, guys, in case you forgot
Oh my
what she looked like.
God. What are you doing with that?
We go on the town. Mary Evan Hackman. You need to get a job, Mary. You always watch my videos. What's going on with you? We love you. We love you, Mary. Send some good vibe for me. Positive vibes. We need it. I love this jet black hair. Lucky you, man. I had to pay about $6,500 for a hair transplant, plus the hotel, food, trip, lodging. Took off from the salon 9 days to be in Turkey, get my hair done. Cost me close to 20 grand.
But look at it, looks great.
Thank you, brother. It's worth it, right?
Yeah, definitely worth it. Now you don't have to wear that bandana all the time.
Amen. Bandana, all the hats. I'm giving away some hats, guys. If you make donation to Masonic Children Home or the Right Care by Scottish Rite. I'm giving hats. These are limited edition by Robert Graham.
Oh wow.
Oh yeah, of course. I don't just wear cheap hats. I'm not joking. All my hats were like a 200 to 250. I actually have one 10X Beaver, George Strait cowboy hat when I lived in Nashville. Look at it, bro. Look at this. Look like Andrea Bocelli from side. Or the guy that does the
Oh, okay.
what's his name? The guitarist or celloist. He's pretty famous.
Not Yo-Yo Ma.
Huh?
Not the
Italian guy.
Italian, no. I know, I can see the face, but yeah, no.
But you do look like a Bollywood specter. You do, man.
Thank you.
Yammachale. My kids used to love that song from one of the songs.
Doom Machale.
Yeah.
Doom Machale.
Oh, my kids used to go crazy about that. We need to give you a razor shave.
No,
Huh? See, this is still cool. John, you said you like John Wick style.
yeah, let me get
John
the
Wick
challenge.
has to grow some hair like you. His hair is texture is totally different.
Yeah, that's why I was looking at it, but then once you said, even before I said John Wick, you said, okay, we'll cut off the front and, bring it back, and that's exactly that style, right?
Oh yeah. Leonardo DiCaprio, or maybe what's his name? Johnny Depp. There's a guy, actually, he's native Indian from India. His nickname is Johnny Depp. All his friends used to come here. So we always say, where is Johnny Depp? Or whatever. He came here for years. He was a sweetheart. I think he moved to his in-laws own a bunch of gas stations in obviously most Indians that are here, they own gas stations, man.
Yeah.
They're competing against QT.
Oh.
But as a matter of fact, I have one customer. Don't underestimate, guys. One of my customers owns 35 gas stations. He owns the land, the land and everything.
Oh, yeah.
For real. And you'll never know he has money. Every time I try to raise money, he gives me cash. He's a sweetheart. One good man. Success unshared is a failure.
That's the truth.
I'm using this video so that some hairdressers, Dana, good morning, sweetheart. I need a facial when I come to New Jersey. She skipped her haircut last year. She's usually my $100 customer at the hair show.
Oh, nice.
I had to borrow $100 to pay my hotel because I was counting on you, Dana. You didn't show up. I will be at Premier Beauty Show in Orlando, Florida. I'm leaving the 31st of May. I'll be there June 1st and 2nd. If you're there, you're around, you're about to bump into a convention center, let me know. I sneak in from the back door and give you a haircut on stage. It's a deal. Lee McClure, you need to come there. Love you guys. Thank you for watching me and cheering me up. I see my cheerleaders over there. Cheers me up. What do you think, bro? He's single because he's sitting on my chair. When he leaves the salon, he's married. What do you think?
Oh, that looks awesome, yeah.
Those are my clients watching. Trust me. Every one of those girls sat on my chair. They're basically like this. So you're a famous guy, my brother. Here's the Andrea Bocelli of Mumbai. What part of India? Mumbai?
No. I'm on the other side, other coast. So
What's it
I'm
called?
on the Bay of Bengal. It's a city called Vizag. Vizag. Vizag.
What?
Vizag. It's all real.
Nobody knows about
No,
Vizag.
nobody knows about Vizag. But all them big Dutch oil tankers, they build them over there.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, it's a big shipyard and port and everything
I
like
got
that.
you. Wow, I had no idea. When I was in England, when I went to school there, a lot of Vidal Sassoon hairdressers would go to India for vacation.
Oh, okay, okay.
You know that place, the beach
Goa.
town? Goa,
Oh,
exactly.
okay.
Because the guys, you know, teachers,
Yeah,
they didn't
yeah.
make a lot of money. They'd say, yeah, I'm going to India for vacation.
You can stay
Or
there
Turkey,
like
Turkey,
yeah, Turkey
Ephesus.
too. Yeah, yeah.
A lot of British goes to Turkey for years.
You can spend like months there.
You all need to make your appointment because I got plenty of hair. You guys getting thin on the top. I can add this on you. This is from Georgia's hair. Is this a pandemic hair to Georgia?
No, I don't think so.
Okay. Georgia looks good.
Oh my God, who am I talking to?
All my customers.
Where? Oh really? Hi.
Mario's hair designers. This is Georgia's hair, guys.
It was down
It
there.
was this long. We did a hair color, glaze, highlights, lowlight. She looks amazing. If you don't look good, we don't look good.
Oh, God.
So we make you look good because we want to look good too.
Thank you, Mario.
My pleasure. So I want you to take your hands out, buddy, and run it through, see what you think.
Oh, wow.
Hi, Georgia. My customer said, hi, Georgia. Georgia is the manager of Whole Foods.
Oh, jeez. Oh, God.
John's Creek. I've known her probably since they opened in business.
You're cracking me up.
You remember John, the manager?
Yes.
He was a sweetheart.
Yes. Oh, he was really nice.
He was the kindest man ever.
Yes.
Those were the good old days, man.
You know, he died.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Yeah, he did.
Really?
Yep.
Wow, dang. I remember running into him at the Constantlion, the Whole Foods. He used to be manager. He went there. He was manager there too.
Yeah. Really
So
nice.
God only knows how much money I spent at Whole Foods. I'm still fat.
You're not fat. You're healthy.
Healthy fat? Okay. I like that. You know, they lie, healthy fat. You know, healthy fat.
But one thing is,
I
if
know
you
I got
get
the six pack here. It's a vegan six pack. Not bad,
oh,
guys.
wow.
Vegan.
You still on the raw diet?
I'm on the. I actually, you know what I ate this morning, guys? I ate slices of beets and the red cabbage,
Oh wow.
and I had a ginger shot.
That's good.
There you go.
My wife ate pizza.
I ate pizza this
And she
morning.
looks
That's
better
my
than
breakfast.
Me. She looks better than me. You did?
Yeah, I had pizza this
You know,
morning.
sometimes you put a pizza in a freezer and take it out, put it on one of those, comes so crispy.
Oh,
bro.
toaster oven. That's what I did. Oh, it's so good.
You got the same brand? Is it Oster?
No.
What brand is yours?
What, toaster oven?
Yeah.
No, I don't know. I think it's like whatever.
This is a live TV show. Don't forget. I'm gonna charge you all. I'm gonna bill you guys for watching us. Well, if we don't have fun, what's fun? Just enjoy the short time we all live and make the best day of your life. And this handsome guy here, he has the best looking. Bro, looks good, man.
Thank you, man.
Damn. What up, homie? How many miles you drove here?
170?
Well, he drove 170 miles one way.
One.
Excuse-moi. So, anyways, love you guys. Have the most beautiful day of your life. Thank you for watching. Seeing you all, seeing us, we see each other is a beautiful, positive energy transformation. Come see us. We make you look beautiful like this gentleman and gorgeous like this lady over here.
Oh my God.
Say hi, Georgia. I'm gonna have here. This is
my
your
God.
hair. And we go drive. We're gonna look at it.
Okay, cool.
It's so funny.
Ciao, ciao.